Did you know that there's a huge following for skin peeling pictures and videos? In fact, there are thousands of forums that showcase this kind of clip.
I'm out. No, I'm out. Stop it! Stop!
Get the light off it. That's nasty, fart.
So why does skin peeling occur? So my question is, why do people like watching skin peeling? What's the appeal of pictures like this? Is it like watching a horror movie? Is it something to do with cleaning? A lot of women particularly like watching dermatology videos. Why do you think that is? Do you think there's something innate about taking care of each other's skin? Is it a motherly thing? Go ahead and leave your comments below. I'd be curious to hear from you.
Oh, yeah.
And click that like button if these sorts of videos interest you as well.
So I couldn't sleep last night and I decided to take some rest more. So I grabbed me a glass of water and took 2 of them, and I fell asleep within 30 minutes, and then I woke up so energized for work in the morning and I was ready to go.